Get naked.
Who? Nigga, what is that?
Go get me some cheesecake.
What is that, fool?
Let me start this off by saying this, bro.
Oh, you talking about
you niggas be too fucking horny. How are you that horny? And you know who I'm talking about. Puff Daddy. I like how you doing it like this, Daddy. And you know what? Let me tell you something. And he can relate because we had these conversations all the time. It's hard to not think that I'm right all the time when I'm right all the time.
Nah, facts.
Before all of this shit, when that audio came out of him calling another nigga daddy,
that was crazy.
What we was talking about.
No, that was
bro,
crazy.
what you got? You must got something going on, bro. Because why you calling another nigga daddy? No, that don't sit right.
Huh? Lusting over, like, it sounded like he was lusting over trying to take men shopping. I want to take you shopping.
I want to take you shopping, daddy.
What? You saw how Fab and Jada was looking at him? I think it was like, what is this nigga talking
Jada
about?
kids, the private school nigga that's trying to be street. But anyway.
By the way, there's nothing wrong with private school.
It's nothing wrong with it. It's nothing wrong with it.
We just don't like that y'all pump fake and act like y'all something that y'all not. It's okay.
Pump fake.
It's crazy, bro.
No, but
Diddy freaky, bro. You overly freaky.
And I got something else to say because y'all know we real niggas.
So he paid a chick, a dude to pee on Cassie, whatever her name is, Cassie.
brother man.
I have not heard any of this stuff. I've been seeing it, but I have not heard nothing.
Man, they sex escorts.
Yeah,
bringing other men into the room, not other women. Other men into the room, graping.
That's crazy.
Essay.
That's crazy. No, that's wicked.
We all saw the video.
No, that's wicked. Oh, the hotel joint.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But, and there is a but.
Yeah.
And I know y'all like to hate. I know y'all hate to hear that. But we keep it real on Two-Faced. Cassie, I'm sorry. Let me first say this. Diddy, you not absolved from none of the shit. You a monster, nigga. You too horny and you need to be dealt with, fool. Let me get that out the way. It's another side. Cassie, I'm going to go ahead and say this. You ain't completely innocent to me.
Yeah.
Real talk. You are not completely innocent to me. You are not. I'm sorry. And I know people hate to hear that type of shit and they want to make. Let me just tell you this, brother. Let me start it off with this. She told a story. This is in court. All of this shit. That's what I was just looking at my phone because I saved some transcripts. Bro, do you know that she was in court and she said that Diddy graped her, right?
Yeah.
She said Diddy graped her. Before the graping, she went to dinner with him in Malibu for a closure conversation. This is after all the freak-offs, all the shit.
Yeah.
They went to a closure dinner. He came back to her house while she was with the man that she's married to now. She went to a closure dinner with Diddy while she had a nigga.
Okay.
And he came back to her house, Diddy, and graped her. Wait, hold on, fool, before you give your opinion. And after that graping, I want you to remember all this. So you give me a real opinion.
For sure. I'm digesting it.
After that graping, the lawyer asked her, did y'all have sex after that? After he graped you? She said, yes, voluntarily. And we had a good night.
This is all in court. She said all of this in court.
The reason why I'm saying this about Cassie, even the video, you know, they put the full video out. You remember where he was in the hotel when he ran out with the
they chopped it.
So in the court shit, they put the whole video out now. And in the whole video, he did what he did. He beat her, kicked her. Yeah. She called the hotel security, all of that type of shit. She had the situation handled. She did her thing. Guess what that video ends with?
Don't say that she went back to the room.
No, I want you to guess.
She went back to the room. They had sex.
She went. You could see her in the video after she got kicked, after she got beat, after she called the hotel security, after the hotel security was talking to Diddy. You see her walking back into his room.
All right.
After he raped you, which if y'all was having dinner in Malibu and he came back to your crib, you invited him there. After the freak-offs and the drugging and all the shit that you said.
That's crazy.
So, Diddy is a monster. Don't get it twisted. But let's keep it real. Let's keep it a buck. You Cassie, bro.
Yeah,
just
that's
me
crazy.
and you. Now, which means what? You had way more resources, way more access to other things that regular victims don't. You chose to stay for benefit and other shit that you saw more valuable than your life.
Do you think it was something deeper than that, though? And I say that in regards to, do you think it was some type of like, something connected with him and her music and her rights or something? Do you think it was like maybe he had a hold on her in some type of form or fashion?
No.
You don't think so?
I think she let her ambitions cloud her judgment, bro.
Yeah.
I
So you don't think the money and the fame, like the money and the power that he got, you don't think that played a part in it?
No.
Yeah.
And the only reason why I'm saying that is because when the lawyer asked her, why would you have sex with him again after he raped you?
Yeah.
She said, well, I was with him for 10 years. Okay. So that means it was an emotional attachment.
Right.
And I'm sorry, bro. Like, monsters are monsters. Diddy is not absolved. I'm not excusing him.
Yeah.
I'm not making him a victim for nothing. Nigga, you was wrong. You too horny, nigga. But if you're a woman like Cassie who got access to this much, who got access to celebrity friends, I'm not going to even say celebrity friends because I ain't going to lie. Diddy was on a level to where if she probably would have came at them with some shit, they probably wouldn't have believed it and would have sided with him because he would have been the more beneficial one. So I'm not going to even put the celebrity friends in there. But you had plenty of opportunity to get away from that.
Right.
And you chose not to.
Right.
Why?
Yeah. See, that put a damper on things for me. And I'm sure the court, I'm sure the jury, I'm sure everybody's going to be questioning, like, why did you not?
And that's the thing. You know, he's on trial for RICO. Right?
Oh, okay.
And a lawyer came out and was like, bro, people was walking out. He was like, it was boring. You know why? He said, because y'all are not talking about nothing that proves the RICO to be true. Y'all talking about domestic violence. Diddy is not charged with domestic violence. So what are y'all sitting here proving?
So he might get out. That's crazy.
Because this is the thing. Diddy's defense hasn't even spoken yet. The prosecutors are speaking first. Oh my God.
Oh, that's crazy.
Let me tell you something.
But where are you watching this at? Where is this in?
Bro, I'm saying that shit all over the internet. So when Diddy defense get up there and speak, oh my God. They gonna tear Cassie ass up.
Fry her ass.
They are gonna fry her, bro. If he got a good legal team.
Oh, you know he do.
Let me tell you something, brother.
Sheesh.
I ain't never been to law school. Nothing. I don't know nothing. But I know if this nigga got a good a good attorney, a good fucking team of lawyers, bro, they can tear her ass up.
Yeah, this is gonna be a cakewalk. This is gonna be easy money. Yeah, it's gonna be.
He gonna get off on some shit. He's gonna get off on some shit because what are y'all talking about? Why are we talking about Cassie and these?
Yeah,
hold on, fool. The most egregious shit that I heard.
Rico and Cassie together is crazy.
Diddy, you too freaky.
No, you're definitely overly freaky, brother.
He hired a male escort. This is one of the things he wanted.
I heard he wanted him to peel Cassie or something.
No. The pee and shit.
Crazy. That's
not
light?
comparable. That's light work.
Oh my God.
Hold on, fool.
Cassie, you a freaky mother.
He one of them niggas that want to watch other niggas fuck his bitch. So that's the escort nigga, right? He wanted, after the man ejaculated, you know what Diddy said? Yeah. Now, I want you to rub that sperm on my chest. The nigga's sperm.
Huh? Nah, nigga, you lying.
That's what Cassie testified to in court.
What?
Diddy. He you know them little inflatable pools?
Oh yeah, the ones you blow it up
for the little kids.
Nigga don't do the hand gesture.
He
like
filled
that.
it with
Y'all clip that. Hey, y'all clip that shit. Fry this nigga.
You know the inflatable pools.
Nah, yeah, I know what you're talking about.
He filled it up with baby oil, and he wanted, get in there. He wanted Cassie to get in there, get in the pool.
Nah, Cassie fly though. Cassie look good. But slipping and sliding and all this other extra shit.
Me and you.
Yeah, that shit was trash.
When I first seen Cassie, when I was a young nigga, I was like, God damn.
Facts.
She was working out in the video.
Yeah, that pretty ass face. Man, what? She's like a pretty ass cat, nigga. Cassie, like a pretty ass lion.
I don't know, and I'm not judging. I don't know what was going on with you at the time, whatever.
Yeah.
But this is the problem in my mind. If we gonna excuse her from accountability because she was at a certain place in her life, then guess what you also have to do? You have to also consider the monster saying that. Because Diddy came out, and I watched that video a million times where when the first hotel beating shit came out, he was like, and he was looking, and he was like, man, I'm sorry. He was like, I was fucked up. I was in such a dark place. I watched that video so many times, bro. And I got a thing to where I cover a person's mouth and they nose, and where I can only see their eyes. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, bro. He looked sincere to me, bro. Like he couldn't believe that he was that person.
Who, Diddy?
Diddy.
Nah, fuck that. Nah, fuck that. Fuck that.
No. This is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying though.
Cause I'm about to cook this nigga.
And I get you, but this is what I'm saying. If you're gonna make excuses for her and say, "Oh, she was this and she was in a bad place,"
yeah, nah, for sure, I'm in agreement to that.
You can't excuse,
yeah,
the reasoning for him as well.
I'm in agreement.
That's all I'm saying.
I'm in agreement, 100%.
No, facts.
That's facts. That's facts. That's real.
That's all I'm saying, bro.
Yeah, no, that's real. I was sure about to say that nigga said
was finna go in.
Man, that nigga said some shit about P. Diddy, bro. It just didn't seem sincere, bro. I mean, P. Diddy said some shit about Biggie. He was on an interview, bro. He just like he was full of shit and lying. It was after Biggie passed away.
What'd he say, fool?
He just looked like a snake to me, bro. Like in his eye, he was trying to act like he cared, and he was just so, I don't know when you got shot.
Sacrifice Biggie.
Yeah, like get the fuck out of here, bro.
You sacrificed that nigga.
You a sick, dark nigga, bro. I'm sure you got some shit. Man, everybody been through stuff, though. I ain't gonna just say that. I ain't gonna put that jacket on him, bro. But all that shit with the females and wanting other niggas to hump your chick while you watch, that's just too weird shit, bro.
White folks bullshit.
Yeah, that's some weird ass. I just don't get it, man. I don't know.
I don't get what niggas get out of that.
I don't either.